Oh, hey. The babies. Yeah. Excited to see me, huh? Nice. I'm just walking. I'm just walking home, you know. You know how it is. Just, yeah. I'm doing really well. How about you? Yeah. Well, I'll let you do your thing, alright? Because it's starting to ring and I don't want to be caught up in it. So, alright. See you later. See you later. I love these paws. I really do. Makes me feel like home. Rainy day. Just like my kind of days. When you just let the stress out of you. Because stress is a little painful. Especially when it, like, kind of makes your muscles a little tight. Anyway, what's up, guys? I'm just chilling, you know? Just chilling. Just clueless to what I'm gonna do and shit. So, I don't know. I am literally losing my mind right now. I don't know. Maybe it's just because of stress. You know, well, everything has to do with stress now. The reason why my throat feels a little tight, a little bit right now, is because of anxiety. Not that I'm sick or whatever, but it's just, it's something what happens if you're stressed out or whatever. It's weird. Very weird. But apparently that's what happens every time you're stressed. I was thinking about debating on playing the piano since I got nothing to do. Might as well just play the piano. Or maybe listen to some more EDM. Actually, I've been doing that too much lately. Not that I'm bored with it, but I love it. I love it. I love it at all, and it's just a little excessive, you know? So, yeah. Gonna play the piano. That's what I decided. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in a bit. So, still gotta learn how to play the piano, but let's try to switch to a synth. Okay, let's switch to organ. Make some ambient music. Took a lot out of me, I know. Anyway, I'm fucking done. I've already been playing this like a half an hour. My hand's starting to get a little tired up, so I'm gonna wave them around. Shit. Jesus Christ, my hands are much more whiter than my face. Now this is pure white boy right there. Like, Jesus. Jesus Christ, man. Don't you ever think that that you just put this up your nose and then you just charge it, and then automatically it charges? Wouldn't it be funny? But my nose is feeling a little great. Not really congested or anything, so yeah. Just gonna like chill right now. Well, about to go to the store in a little bit, but well, with the fam. But you know, it's the way life is, right? You're just busy all the time. It's like, I don't know. You just, you know? Jesus Christ, this is a boring ass vlog. Maybe I'll put some music on in a little bit. But anyways, I'm gonna end the video, guys, because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe, or don't. I don't really give a shit. But yeah. Good times. Oh, and by the way, this is a cool owl ring that I had before when I was a kid. But yeah, it was given to me by
let's say a really smart man. Smart owl man. But anyway, good times.